Okay, here is a real-world example. This is a well-known piece from Mr. Stravinsky, and here how you can use Konnakol to understand written without counting digits. And mumbling things like this is also quite unmusical. I think still Konnakol is the best. So I will count 8 as double speed down. So it's taka taki ta taki ta taka taka tak, and you will see actually that there is a rhythmical pattern, and it will help also to memorize the structure. So it's taka taki ta taki ta taka taka taki ta taki ta taka taki ta taki ta taka taki ta taka taki ta taka taka taki ta 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 taki ta taka taki ta taka taka taki ta taki ta taka. This is my vocal example, but we can also take a listen. I find it more simpler than just mumbling or counting digits. Have fun playing music. Take care.